Alright, in this video, we're going to introduce how to find the volume of revolution by revolving the graph. A graph, okay, there's only one graph completely about the x-axis. So for these cases here, we have to find the volume of revolution by revolving this one completely about the x-axis. So I'm going to sketch the graph first. So in the first quadrant, alright, yeah, so the x-axis in the first quadrant. So where this graph will be -2, right? -2 and 2, right? If you draw, the graph will be intersecting the y at 4, right? Intersecting the y at 4. So, and this is the graph for y equals to 4 minus x squared. But they have said that volume of revolution by revolving the graph about the x-axis, right? About the x-axis, so means they are rotating here in the first quadrant, means that the region in the first quadrant here, for this region particularly. So if this region we rotate, right, we were getting a solid, right, a solid, so with this form, right, so we were getting a solid with these forms here. So means this is the axis of rotation, right? This is center here. So this is the axis of rotation. So to rotate this, so if you want to find the volume, so this is the formula. Okay, this is the dish method. We call as dish method. So we integrate pi from right? Okay, rotate from 0 up to 2. Okay. 0 up to 2. This region is from 0 up to 2 because we rotate through the x-axis. So which is under the graph of 4 minus x squared dx. Then we have to put a square here. So it's just like a cylinder, pi r square h. Okay. So then the difference between this and area is there is a pi, there is a square. All right. We add a pi and we're adding a square. Square means that we y square, alright? We have to, when we differentiate, when we integrate with respect to dx for volume, the y have to square, so means that the 4 minus x square and square. So then we just calculate the volume as usual by applying integration. So you have to expand first. So you have 16, right? 2, 4, 8 x to the power of 2 plus with x to the power 4 dx, right? 16 minus 8x squared plus with x to the power 4. So then integrate, we have 16x minus with 8x cubed divided by 3 plus with x power 5 divided by 5 from 0 up to 2, right? There is a pi here. So volume, pi. So substitute 2, we have 32, right? 32 minus with 2, 16, 32. 3 times 2 power of 8, right? 2 power of 3, we get 8. 64 over 3 plus with 2 power of 5, 32 over 5. Minus with 0. Then we're getting 0. So then we evaluate and getting the volume of the solid form.